how to set up multi-image post in Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can set up multi-image post in Meta Business Suite. So creating a multi-image post in Meta Business Suite allows you to share a collection of images in a single post, and here is how to go about it. So what do you do first? The first step is to log in into your Meta Business Suite account, and the second thing to do is to go ahead and click on create posts. All right, in case you can't find it on the main screen here, just check around your screen to know where it's located. And then after clicking on create post, you'll be brought to the create post page. On this page, you can see where you select where you want like to post it to. Is it to Facebook or Instagram or to the both of them? And then the next step is to go ahead and select photo. So you can click on add photo, and then you can click on upload from desktop. And then the cool thing about this is that you can add as many photos as you want. So since you're trying to create a multi image post, just go ahead and select as many photos that you'd like. All right, and the best thing to do is to arrange the images in the desired order. Select them and then add them one after the other to your post. And then the next thing to do is to craft a beautiful content. Write a compelling caption for your multi-image post. You can add emojis, location tags, or even mention people so that you can easily get enough likes and enough views. And then you can schedule the post if you want, or you can just go ahead and preview the post by moving to the right side of the screen. The post will be displayed here. Then if you want to finish it later, you can decide to, or if you want to publish it, just click on publish, and then your post will be published as a multi image format. So this is how you can go about it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.